The will to believe is the most important fact in human history.
Our attitude towards our experiences is what really determines their character. The art of being wise is the art of knowing what to overlook. Truth in our ideas means their power to work. Truth happens to an idea. The only way to escape the evil is to face it. The greatest use of a life is to spend it on something that will outlast it. The question is not what you have, but what you do with what you have. Circumstance does not make me, it reveals me. You may not get everything you dream about, but you will never get anything you don't dream about. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Our life is what our thoughts make it. The world is what you make it, so make it a good one. Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence. Pessimism leads to weakness. Optimism leads to power. The greatest enemy of knowledge is not ignorance. It is the illusion of knowledge. Beliefs, like hands, can either be used to help or to hurt. The only thing that's worth doing is what we're willing to die for. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. The unexamined life is not worth living. The greatest gift that anyone can give is the gift of their time. The only way to fail is to give up. The only thing that stands between you and your dream is the will to try and the belief that it is actually possible.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and give it a like. It really helps me out. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, please let me know in the comments below.